I just spoke to a man here, and he was telling me a bit about the situation here in Verviers. As you can see, there's a tunnel there which is completely blocked and has been for the last 24 hours approximately. Just over here. And more or less all the houses here have electricity. So I think it's further down that households have no electricity. Here the situation is not too bad, and everyone is coming down from all parts of the city, from outside the city, to come and lend a hand. As you can see, there are people there lending a hand, trying to fix things up. But there's still tons of litter and broken glass about everywhere here.